Today I want to show you what you can do with user data in Cinema 4D combined with Redshift. Cinema 4D gives you the option to add user data, meaning you can add your own data to specific objects and then utilize this, for example, inside of Redshift. And today I'm going to show you how, just with a super basic example, but then you will understand how powerful user data can be and how you can utilize this in production. So say you got those 4 cubes here, and all those cubes should share the same material, but each cube should have its own color. So this one should be blue, this one should be yellow, this one should be green, for example. And you don't want to do this inside of the shader, you just want to specify the exact color the object has to use. And for that, we're going to use the user data inside of Cinema. For this, I'm going to select all the cubes and put each of them into a null. This makes it easier for me to change the object later down the road. If I want to change the cube for a sphere, for example. So we put the material onto the null. And then we want to add user data. And the user data we are going to add is color. The default value should be black, that's alright. And we will call this CD for color data. Now we are going to manage and then copy, go to the next object, paste user data interface, paste user data interface, and paste user data interface. And now all we need to do is to tell the material what to look for. And when we go into the shader graph, we can simply hit Shift-C and search for color user data. And if we remember correctly, we named this CD. Then Redshift knows what to look for. We will just put that in. And now you can see all the cubes turned black. We can now go to each individual cube and to the tab user data and can change its color to yellow, for example. And we go to this and change this to blue. As you can see, it's super simple but super powerful, and there's a lot more you can do with user data, but this should already show you how much possibilities you have with user data inside of Redshift.